Let's review the accounting equation. So the basic accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Now, why does this make sense? Well, liabilities are the creditor's claim of the assets, while owner's equity is the owner's claim of the assets. So those two put together are all of the assets that a company will have. So that's the basic accounting equation. We also have the expanded accounting equation. That's your assets equals liabilities plus owner's capital minus owner's drawings plus revenues minus expenses. You can see that owner's capital, owner's drawings, revenues, and expenses all fall under the owner's equity umbrella, right? So that's what is being expanded out in this expanded accounting equation. So we can use this expanded accounting equation to find unknown values, let's say. So if you know your amount of liabilities, capital, drawings, revenues, and expenses, but you don't know your assets, we can plug in our numbers and turn it into an algebra problem. So we plug in all of the pieces that we were given initially, and we can find that our assets will come out to be $120,000. Now, let's try it for finding our owner's capital. So we have some different numbers here this time around, but we plug in what we know. So here we are solving for our owner's capital. So if we simplify down the right side of the equal sign, we get 25,000 plus owner's capital is going to equal this 200,000 that is our assets. So then we solve for owner's capital, and we can find that our owner's capital amount would be $175,000. So we can use this accounting equation to solve for unknowns, but it also just tells you how the balances in these accounts interact with each other in accounting.